Welcome to Governance Now headlines. Anna takes referendum to Rahul's Amethi. After claiming mass support to its version of the Lokpal bill in Kapil Sibal's constituency Chandni Chowk, Team Anna is now conducting a similar referendum in Rahul Gandhi's Amethi. Volunteers of many NGOs associated with the Anna Hazare-led India Against Corruption have already distributed 50,000 forms in 5 assembly segments there. No 9% GDP growth this fiscal. The Finance Ministry has admitted that its February forecast of 9% GDP growth is unlikely to be achieved. This comes even as it plans to undertake an interim review of its economic growth forecast for 2011-12 by mid-September. No farming break in NREGA. The Rural Development Ministry has written to all the states warning them not to go slow or suspend works under the MNREGA at any point of time in the year. The communication reminding the provisions of the Right to Work Act comes in the wake of reports that some states are going slow in execution of works under the UPA's program. Sewage in tap water. The National Human Rights Commission has sought an explanation from the Delhi Jal Board chairman on the reported supply of contaminated water in the capital. The chief is asked to submit a detailed report within 4 weeks explaining the measures being taken to ensure potable water supply to residents in Delhi. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.